quick demonstration on putting in the Wi-Fi password for the Hunter HPC controller. Controller unit right here. This is exactly what will be on your home. Most likely screen will be blacked out when you get to it. Quick tap will wake it up. You'll see this screen here. So you're going to go to settings, top right corner. Then you're going to go to wireless, tap that. And here you'll have your wireless name and password. So we're going to start with the name. It'll pull up a list of available networks that are closest to you. So for this example, we're going to use Egan Wholesale Nursery, and we're going to hit confirm. Then it'll automatically bring you to the password screen, and this is where you'll enter your password. I like to use something small to touch it, because obviously the buttons are small. Now it'll perform its checks. And then once the connection is successful, you get the notification on the top. And from here, you don't need to touch anything else. Everything will be set up from there. In the case that you enter the wrong password, so I'll delete the A for the example. Let it try and establish connection. And eventually it'll give you the notification saying, connection failed, password incorrect. You're gonna click OK. You're gonna go back into passwords here and update it. As you try and update, every 2 to 10 seconds it's gonna try to enter that password that you put in again and again. You essentially just hit ignore message and it'll bring you back to the screen. Add it, press OK, now it'll connect.